Hi, my name is Somil Shah, and in this video tutorial series I'm going to teach you how to make a home automation system. Without wasting much of time, let's get started and let's learn how to make an Android application without programming languages. So without programming, let's make an Android app and interface that application with the hardware part. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the app inventor, create app. After that, you have to log in with your Gmail account. All right, then go to start new project. So let's name the project, say home, let's say home automation system. All right, so click on OK. So this is the screen basically where you make your Android apps. So first of all, what you have to do is, over here you can see connectivity. You have to select Bluetooth client and just drag over the screen. That's it. All right, now what you have to do is you have to take a list picker, simply drag over here list picker. After that, what you have to do is a label. Now you can also arrange stuff at the center, so you can arrange stuff at the right or the left or the center. That's it. So now what you have to do is, I want a button, right? So I simply drag a button. I name this button as on, right? You see the changes are immediately reflected on the screen, I mean the screen of the application. Now I want another button, but before adding another button, I have to add a horizontal, 1 second. So yeah, before adding another button, what I have to do is I have to go to layouts, a horizontal arrangement, then again go to user interface, button. All right, I would name this button as off. All right, so here you see, so I have two buttons, on and off, for my appliance. Now that's it. Now we have to go to the blocks section over here, you see. So go to the blocks. Now the main thing what you have to do is, so first of all, click on list picker. So select this. I would change this to elements. Then go to Bluetooth clients and search for something similar to this. 1 second. Oops. After that, what you have to do is go to again list picker. Change this to selection. All right, and what I have to do is go to the Bluetooth client and I have to search for, yeah, that's it. So what I've done, so when list picker, before picking, set the list picker elements to Bluetooth client dot address and names. So after that, what happens when you click the button? So when the list picker one, after picking, set the list picker one selection, call the Bluetooth clients, connect address to Bluetooth client one and the address and names. That's it. So now what you have to do, I want to now comes the main part, that is a button. So when I click a button, so it should send certain text to the microcontroller. So to do that, you have to go again to the Bluetooth client and search for something similar to like this. So I want to send a text basically to the microcontroller, right? So I have to search for send text, right? Right here. Now what I want to send is, I will go to text again. So what this does is, whenever I press a button 1, it will call the Bluetooth client and send a text on. And in the microcontroller, I will write a program such that if my string, incoming string, is equal to on, the light should be turned off. Now let's make this for turning off the appliance. So what I will do is I'll duplicate this button 2 and off. That's it. So that's it. I mean, your Android application is ready within, I guess, 5 minutes. No programming language, no C, no Java, nothing. So this is how you make your Android application. You can download the app on your Android device. So there are various options. You can see app, provide a QR code for the APK, or save APK to my computer, and you can install the APK file. And yes, that's all. I mean, you can make your Android apps. So the next part would be how to interface this software, that is the Android app, with the hardware. So if you like my projects and ideas and videos, do give a like, do subscribe to me, and thank you very much.